Alright, welcome to BoxCtrl.com. I'm going to walk you through a demonstration of what you're going to see when you first install this and when you log in for the first time. This demonstration is of beta 0.9.2, released on October 12th, 2010. After installation, you'll get your password and you can log in on port 2010. First thing you see is the server overview, which is going to tell you if Apache, MySQL, SSH, and SendMail are online or offline. You'll see your host name, your server uptime, and your server load average, some information about the kernel, and your current RAM usage. 17 used, 366 free on here. If you go over here, you'll see running processes. That's just everything that's running on your server at the time. Some CPU information about what you're running on. Your hard drive space is going to tell you what's free and how much you have in use. So 20 gigs are available on here, and I'm using 3% of that. Installed packages will list everything that Yum has installed on your system, and if you need to update anything, you can just click this button right here and it will automatically update everything that it finds an update for. Your traffic statistics runs through the VNstat program. This is a graphical interface that I found. It's a front end from this guy right here. Can't pronounce his name, but thanks, guy. This is going to break it down into hours, days, and months. If you click on hours, you see you get a nice little chart, and you can go through for the same thing with days and with months. Now, if you look at the Apache admin section, it's going to tell you Apache is offline. Oh no, what do we do? Well, we can start it, restart it, or stop. In this case, we're going to want to start it. So you click Start. It's going to tell you Apache will start in 60 seconds. Everything on BoxCtrl is based off of a 60-second cron. So if we look here, we'll see we're 48 seconds into this minute. Once this hits 1 minute, we should see Apache go from offline to online, and we'll give it one more second, and there you go. That's how you reboot, stop, or start any of the services here. Back in the admin section for Apache, if you want to edit the Apache configuration file for whatever reason, you can open it like this, go through it, make your changes, save them, and that's it. You can also view the error log. If there was any errors with the Apache server, you would see it right here. And new with 0.9.2, we have the add new domain feature. All you have to do to add a new domain is throw it in there. Let's say you want blah.com. Hit add new domain. Your new domain will be available within 60 seconds. Then just upload your website files to home/domain/whatever your domain name is .com, and that's it. You don't have to do any other changes. It'll make all the configurations for you. MySQL is just going to give you a status and then the same start, stop, and restart. Same thing with SSH, only you can also configure the file right here. Say you want to change the port number to something else, you'd save the changes, and then in order to make the changes work, you'd have to restart. SendMail, just online, offline, same thing. I put this in here because it was requested by a few clients. And finally, the file editor. This is WebKnight Commander, and the source code for it can be found right here on SourceForge. I've integrated it into the panel with just a simple iframe. If you want to log in, just drag the editor 123 pass, log in. And this is really neat. You go through, you can let's say the home folder, domains, you can see all these test folders that I've made, blah.com, index. If you wanted to edit this and Leidy owned it, it tells you right here. You could do that. Since it's owned by root, we can just view it. If you do that, you can see your domain is active. That's what you would see if you went to that domain. Quit. And that's it. That's pretty much it. We have quite a few features planned for future releases, but for right now, this is it. If you need any help at all, go to BoxCtrl.com. That's BoxCtrl, like your control key.com. Alright, thanks guys.